You are going to love the 2019 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing your distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, remote trunk release, front wheel drive. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.